Hi everybody, this is Nancy So Miller, children's book author and illustrator of Sun, Moon, and Star, a folktale from Korea. So once again, I got asked a lot to do more paper crafts. It's so fun that I love paper crafts, and people have been responding to that from my book, and they're like, can you do more stuff like this and teach us how to make something else and have fun crafting like you did for your picture book? And so like I mentioned in previous videos, I make everything by hand. A lot of it is out of paper. I paint, I draw, I cut it out, I glue it together, and even throw in moss, string, metal, wire, and balsa wood. So I understand it's like so much fun to play with mixed media. So here is a fun little project I have for you, inspired from my book, Sun, Moon, and Star, a Folktale from Korea. And so I have this little paper Korean doll girl. And so something that I just love is the clothing, the traditional Korean clothing, which I have some information right here, a little bit more about it. Okay, so you see this in English. I just want to share this for, those of you who are interested in language learning. So this is called romanization. So anytime you see English letters, alphabet here, that is the corresponding sound for the Korean alphabet letters. Okay, but I'm going to be honest, it's never quite the same. If you are going to learn another language and they use romanization, I highly recommend like memorizing how those actual letters sound. That's what I have to do. And in order to sound this out properly, I have to look at the Korean letters. So like if I didn't really know how this was pronounced, I'd probably go Hanbok. So it's really Hanbok. Hanbok is how crayons, markers, whatever you like to use to color. I do like this Color of the World markers, 24 set. I got it at like Staples and stuff. And so you got all of these skin colors. So you can color, however you want. And this is brand new. So I'm just going to pull this open. I should have like pre-opened these. But anyway, that's the reality of it all. So it comes in 3 packs like this. Crayola, if you would like to sponsor Miss Nancy on her videos, that'd be great. But there is no actual sponsorship. I joke. So if you open them up. Now, when I was teaching art, I would get these in a big box. Okay, so you can see all the different skin colors. I love using these with kids because it just really encourages them to think about no one is white as a piece of paper. And think about, not avoiding skin tones. So lots of different choices here. So I'm going to pick out one and just like literally, that looks good. Or maybe this, because I'm going to make it look like me. I'm a little on the tanner side. Yeah, that's me right there, I feel like, There's something great about, different skin colors. Makes the world a little bit more colorful and interesting. Okay, so just for her skin color, I'm just going to go ahead and color. Now it's ready to be cut out. So use your safety scissors. I have grown-up scissors. Now we have her all cut up. And then I have this little broken line right here. So we're going to fold that. And then when we put it together, this forms her skirt. Now I have found out, this is just me personally, because sometimes depending on the age of whoever's making this, sometimes it's easier to give them a piece of tape than glue. And there is no shame in that. It's whatever gets the job done. And now I have my little paper doll. Isn't she just so cute? Woohoo! Anyways, I absolutely thought this was adorable. Color in your Hanbok however you want. And make it like your little fashion designer. And yeah. And decorate and have fun. Anyways, thank you so much for watching this video, and please like and subscribe if you would like to get more tutorials like this. And thank you for everybody's encouragement about doing more of these paper crafts. I actually really love teaching them and making them. But yes, there will be a link. There is a link in the description box for where you can get the PDF. It's totally free. Use this with your homeschoolers, if you're a librarian, or if you're a teacher. I hope you will share these with me. Yes, I am on Instagram at nmillerillustration.com. Tag me because I would love to see your work. All right. Thank you. Bye.